Are you looking to save money? One thing you can do that is really cheap and simple is to make your own bread. And I have a recipe that needs a few ingredients that you probably already have in your pantry, so you can repurpose some of those ingredients, and it's a no-knead bread. So let's go. Here's what you need. You need 3 cups of flour, 1 to 2 tablespoons of your favorite seasoning. I'm going to use Italian. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of water, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
Forever, but I'll be fighting for more. I will not fold under pressure, taking what I came here for. Like water,
so the dough will be sticky. This is what it looks like. So once your dough is ready, it's going to look like this. Take some olive oil, brush the sides of your stoneware. Stoneware is going to be really good for baking bread. Flour your surface. The dough will be sticky, so you might need to add additional flour as well. Keep folding it in. Get lots of flours and just get it folded just a few times. No need to really knead it because it is a no-knead bread, so just fold it over a couple times. And then once it's ready, put it in your deep covered baker. Warm up 2 cups of water in the microwave until it starts boiling, and just put it in your oven that is not turned on, just for like 1 hour to let it rise for another hour. Once it's done, take it out, preheat the oven to 450, lid on, in the oven it goes for 30 minutes. Once that is done, take the lid off for an additional 15 minutes until your top is nice and golden brown. Enjoy!